uTech.
Do not remove or change the letter for important partitions. Windows Partition. Partitions where you have programs installed. Partitions for which you have set automatically backups. Changing or removing the partition letter will also change or remove the path destination of the files, which will result in a lot of issues and programs stop working. Remove/assign letter using Windows PowerShell or command prompt. Open Windows PowerShell or command prompt with administrator rights. Type disk part and press enter. Next, type list volume and press enter. Type select volume Z. Z is the example for the volume number of the recovery partition or other partition you want to hide. Next, type remove letter Y. Y is the example letter you have assigned to the specific partition. If you want to assign a letter to partition, follow the same steps, but instead of remove, type assign letter Y. Y is the example letter. You can assign what letter you want if it isn't assigned already to other partition. Remove/assign letter using disk management. Right-click on Windows Start button and press on Disk Management, or type Disk Management in the search bar. Right-click on the partition you want, and click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click on Remove. Press Yes for the warning messages that show up. To assign a letter, go through the same steps, but instead of remove, press on Add. Select the letter you want to assign and press OK.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.